Okay, guys, I know before you left, things got a little crazy and we'd been doing AR present tense for a little while. I just wanted to go ahead and do a short review with you guys. So you should have AR present tense notes in front of you. Okay, and here's the meanings for each of them. So we have yo is I, tu is you friendly, so remember that's if you're talking to a friend. L is he, ella is she, usted is you formal. Nosotros is we, and then ellos, ellas, and ustedes all mean they. Okay, ellos is masculine, ellas is feminine, and ustedes is formal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write all the endings up there, and you guys are going to put that in the little box that I gave you on your notes. Okay, so the yo ending would be an O. Tu is AS. El, ella, and usted are all A. Nosotros, AMOS. And ellos, ellas, and ustedes is on. All right, I'm going to erase that section and go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about the different terms. Okay, so we have talked a little bit about what conjugation is. Okay, conjugation is just when you change the ending. So you give the action to somebody. We talked about when you conjugate something, you can't conjugate it unless it's a verb. Okay, remember verbs are action words. Okay, so conjugating is give the action away. Okay, and then just like I just said, a verb is an action word. Okay, for example, to swim, to talk, to play, anything that you can do. Okay. An infinitive. Okay, an infinitive is just the word before it's conjugated. So, for example, to play. Okay, tokar. To play. You haven't given that action away yet. Okay, so as of right now, this is just an AR verb. Okay, so at the bottom of your papers, I wanted you guys to give me 3 examples of AR verbs. Okay, now remember, an AR verb is something that ends with AR. So on your guys' vocab list that I gave you before you left, you should see all of the AR verbs I want you guys to know. So for example, to listen, to talk. Okay, I want you guys to give me 3 examples in Spanish of AR verbs on your paper. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple examples. Okay, at the bottom, I gave you guys how you would change that ending. Okay, so to give the action to somebody, so for example with hablar, because it ends with AR, if you wanted to say I talk, okay, because hablar just means to talk. If you wanted to say I talk, you would have to say yo, because that's how you say I. HABL. Now we take that AR away, and you put the yo ending, which is an O. Yo hablo. That would be I talk. Okay, I want you guys to try bailar. I want you to make it we dance. Okay, so I want you guys to try to write down we dance. Okay, so how would you say we? Nosotros. Now we know dance is bailar. You have to take that air away and you put the ending for the we form and you should have amos. So you should have nosotros bailamos. Guys, if you have any questions at all over the review over ARs, please email me at chicks, CHICKS, like chicks, at spartan.limacityschools.org. Okay, or you can call the school and ask to be linked to my phone. We don't know our schedule next week yet, but for this week we're here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8 to 1. Okay, so if you need to get a hold of me, do it that way, please.